Very good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start new topic, and the title of the topic is to study the body of the pila globosa. Dear students, the body of the pila globosa is differentiated into the three different parts. The anterior part is called as the head, dorsal part is called as the visceral mass, and ventral part is called as the foot. The anterior head and ventral foot protruded out from the shell, while the dorsal visceral mass remains as it is inside the shell. The body of the pila globosa is connected with shell with the help of the columella muscles, and these columella muscles also cause withdrawal of the body into the last whorl and prevent the body extending out of the shell beyond a certain limit. Dear students, if we see the one by one part of the body of the pila globosa, the first part of the pila globosa is the anterior part called as the head. The head of the pila globosa is located on the anterior side, and it is most fleshy and bilaterally symmetrical. Bilaterally symmetrical means if we cut the head of the pila globosa into the two distinct regions, and both regions are identical to each other, hence we can say that the head of the pila globosa is bilaterally symmetrical. The head of the pila globosa bearing two pairs of the tentacles. The first pair of the tentacle, also known as the labial palms, lies in front, and it is smaller in size, while the second pair of the tentacle is lies behind the first pair of the tentacle, and it is much longer than the first pair of the tentacle and is highly contractile. Outside and little behind the second pair of the tentacle, there is a short symmetrical stalk-like structures called as the omatophore bearing eyes. That means if we see the head of the pila globosa, the head of the pila globosa consists of the two important organs. The first organ is two pairs of the tentacles, and second is the eyes. The second part of the body is the foot. The ventral part of the body is modified into the locomotory organ called as the ventral foot. It is larger in size and highly extensible, triangular in shape. It has a flat, smooth, grey ventral surface called as the sole. If we see the foot part, the sole of the foot is grey and flat and smooth. The sole is applied on the substratum for creeping activity. The foot of the pila globosa consists of the two parts. The anterior part is called as the propodium. It is composed of the muscle, and the second part is called as the metapodium, and this metapodium bearing operculum on its dorsal surface. When foot is withdrawn, the operculum closes the mouth. When we see the morphology of the shell, that time we can say that the shell consists of the large opening called as the mouth, and this mouth is protected by operculum. This operculum is connected with the foot with the help of the columella muscles, and when foot is withdrawn outside the shell, then the operculum is responsible for closing the mouth. The foot consists of the muscle fibers, and these muscle fibers are arranged lengthwise and crosswise, and with the help of these muscles, the foot undergoes the contraction and extension. The foot of the pili globosa consists of the pedal mucus gland, and this pedal mucus gland secretes the slimy secretion during the locomotion process. The main function of the foot is locomotion and creeping activity. These are the two important parts of the body of the pili globosa. The third important part of the pili globosa is visceral mass. The visceral mass of the pili globosa is quite and exactly like the shell toothed in it, and it forms a sort of hump on the dorsal side. If we see the body of the pili globosa on the dorsal side, there is a formation of the hump-like structure. The visceral mass consists of all the important or main organ of the body, and it occupies body wall and other works, and the important mechanism called as the torsion is exhibited by the visceral mass, and due to the torsion, the visceral mass undergoes the coiling and folding, and as a result of this, the mouth and anus are located on the same side. The visceral mass is soft, and if you see the color pattern of the visceral mass is grey to dark brown in color. This is all regards to the body of the pili globosa. Thank you very much.